So we're here at Shoe Healer and we have some shoes in for fitting the Velcro to. So we'll put the Velcro around here like this. Now on the toe, years ago, we would machine the toe, this material away, and we would stitch it around that line there. However, we were told that when you're running in the sand, your toe digs in to the sand, and it's better to go higher. So when you obviously don't want the Velcro across there like that, so close to the sand. You want it, all that's going to do is just catch on the edge of your gaiter and pull it off. So we've come up here, round there, and then back down again. Okay, and get that tight up. Now this is where people like to see their Velcro. Now we were told years ago by somebody running. Oh, I haven't picked up my bloody scissors. Scissors under there. So that, and put that off there. So now we will just snip this a little bit here and then stitch that on twice around the bottom, twice around the top, being careful not to leave any sharp stitching inside the shoe. You see where we bring the toe up over there? Yeah, like I was saying earlier, it's just stupid to put it across there like that, because that just catches in the sand so much. Okay, so that's how we do them. However, years ago somebody said to us, all you need to do is just press your little bradawl in to see where the holes, the breathing holes, go all the way through, and put the Velcro as high up as you can, and that keeps the gaiters away. Keeps the gaiters away from the sand and away from any stones in the sand. So you could have your Velcro quite high up. So we started doing them like this, and we got nothing but complaints. So instead, and we just checked to make sure that you couldn't push a bradawl gently through, so no sand could get through. Anyway, we got nothing but complaints. So now we stick to putting it as close to the edge of the sole. Always come up at the toe, because you can get your gaiter over there nicely, and leave it low on the heel as well. And that's what we do. Double stitch it, and they're done. Now there is another option. There's an option that Rory Coleman. Is it Rory Coleman? Yeah, he has. Which is, we cut V's into the Velcro, just 2 V's on each side here, so that when the shoe flexes, there's no resistance with the Velcro. But to be honest, you don't really need that, because although the Velcro is a little bit stiffer than the material, once it gets warm, it does go really soft. So there's no real need for that. But if ever you want that, we can do that. We put V's in here, and Rory says it just helps it to flex. But he's probably the only one that we do that for. Okay.